Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 7. So to download Mozilla Firefox, you have to go to this link and you will find the link in the description too. So you can open the description and go to the link. Now, after you have seen this, you may have gone to the link, so I'm going to go to the link by myself, and now I am opening my Internet Explorer and then I'm going to paste the link. So after you have gone to the link, you will find this website. Now in the website you will find this download now button in the blue painted box. So you have to click the download now to begin the downloading process. So you can see it is telling me to save or run it. So I'm going to save it. If you're running Chrome or even in Firefox, it may ask you the same. So you may want to save it first, then run it. I'm going to save it in my downloads. It is actually where most of your browsers save. So I'm going to select here. It is downloading and it has completed. So I'm going to go to the open folder. Now in here you can see it has downloaded as Firefox installer.exe. Now it should be in your downloads folder normally, but if you cannot find it, you may want to check your Chrome or Firefox or even in Internet Explorer that where you have downloaded. Now after you have downloaded successfully and have it on your PC, you have to click the downloaded file to begin the process. But before doing that, you may want to close all of your apps and programs. So I'm going to start the installation of Mozilla Firefox. So I'm going to select run. Now you can see it has started installing, and we have to wait a minute or two. It will depend on your internet connection and the overall system of yours. If you have a fast system and a fast internet connection, it will be done in a minute or just few seconds. But if you have a slower connection or if you have a slower machine, it might take a little longer than you expect. So it all depends on your hardware and internet connection, but it shouldn't take much more than 1 to 5 minutes. So it has completed and we can see the browser has opened. Now I'm going to close this and this tab. So you can see it is working, and now I'm going to go to google.com to confirm that it is working. So you can see it is working. I'm going to change that to English. You can see my Mozilla Firefox is working and I'm going to close it. So you can actually go to Firefox by clicking that icon there. It should be created after you have installed it. So this is pretty much the process you have to follow, and if you have any kind of problems, please comment below and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.